hybrid cross in that in F1, if you can tell me stem height as a character, so in F1 which genotype will be there? Which T? Capital T, small t. What is the phenotype of this? Tall. Phenotype, that is the tall. Next one. Another that's in parent also capital T as a genotype. What is the phenotype? Tall. So nowadays we know that, right? In F1 generation, capital T, small t was there. But earlier time, Mendel did not know about this thing, right? He just think about what? Tall and dwarf, when met with each other, then tall plants were developed. Then he think about that. Tall phenotype he observed in the F1 plants, right? All F1 become what? Tall. But in that, capital T is there, or that contributions from both the parents, right? During this time, the good microscopes are not available, right? You know, electron microscopy 19 था या 18th, अगर आप 19, but इनका जो work period है 18, yes. So during that time, good microscopes were not available. So he couldn't able to that prove that exactly what things come from one parent and then the other parent. So he told what? That something is transferred from parent to their offspring. And that something according to the Mendel, that is factor. Right? हम बोलते ना ये X factor है, Y factor है ना? So now that factor nowadays we call genes. Genes are basically transferred from parents to their offspring. Gene word discovery occur once this gene word coined after the discovery of microscope. Right? So microscope in that when scientists observe that the genetic material DNA on DNA, that means DNA is chromosomes and chromosomes के ऊपर क्या है? That's genes, right? And that genes are actually transferred. So remember here that's the nowadays we call genes. Mendel called what? Factors. Mendel called what? Factors. So he was curious about that. Right? Mendel was curious about that. In F1 generation over here, that tall plants were there, but that is due to that contribution of what? Maybe happen that parents, pure parents लिए थे, capital T, small t. Maybe this both allele only come into this F1 generation and then give what? Tallness, or else both side contribution will it might be there, right? So he over there question mark was there during that time, right? So he performed taste cross. He performed what? Taste cross. Taste cross is the main definition. पहले आना चाहिए. Taste cross is equal to what? F1 into homozygous recessive parent, right? F1 into homozygous recessive parent. Now, see, smartness again is needed, right? ये भी उन्होंने कैसे दिया? homozygous recessive parent से ही हम टेस्ट क्रॉस करके फाइंड आउट कर सकते कि in F1 what kind of genotype was there, right? So he did what? F1 cross with, first he cross with both the parents. Parents कैसे थे? Pure और hybrid? Pure. So first it cross with the which one? Capital T. अगर ये क्रॉस करेंगे, कैन यू टेल मी इसमें हमें ड्वार्फ मिलेंगे? यस और नो? स्नेह, टेल मी हियर द व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गैमेट्स? In one capital T, in other small t. Here capital T. Right? Now next what happen when these two combine? कैपिटल टी का फिनोटाइप क्या हो जाएगा? टॉल. When these two, this two, so again 100% what? Tall, right? But we have learned F2 generation also. You know that ये F1 के साथ ही क्रॉस करवाया, तो अल्टीमेटली ये सब जो यहाँ पे जीनोटाइप मिल रहे हैं वो क्या बन रहे हैं, F2, राइट। तो F2 में यहाँ पे इन दिस केस कोई भी ड्वार्फ बना नहीं, बट एक्चुअल जो था उसमें तो ड्वार्फ बन रहा था, यस और नो। सो इन दैट केस सेकेंड उन्होंने क्या किया, कैपिटल T स्मॉल t नाउ क्रॉस विद द विच वन, अनदर पेरेंट स्मॉल t स्मॉल t. So now yeah, what kind of gametes over here, capital T small t, and here small t, right? Capital T small t combine, then tall. This two tall. This two dwarf. This two dwarf. So here the chances are there, tall as well as dwarf, both the things can be formed, right? So according to this thing, see one thing, that अगर कैपिटल T है, राइट, ऐसा मान लो in F1 the 100% tall plants were there. So in that the genotype, जो जीनोटाइप है वो कैपिटल T है, प्योर, राइट, अदर पेरेंट से कोई कंट्रीब्यूशन हुआ ही नहीं, लाइक दैट. सो कैपिटल T है, और क्या किया था F1 में, सेल्फिंग या क्रॉस, सेल्फिंग. सो यहाँ पे सेल्फिंग करना है तो यही होगा, यस और नो. तो 100% क्या आ जाएगा, F2 में आएगा या F1 में, F2. ये F1 हो रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है. ये F1 का मैंने लिखा कैपिटल T बिकॉज उसमें फिनोटाइप क्या मिला था, 100% टॉल. क्लियर है, यस और नो. वन मोर टाइम. इफ Mendel considered that capital T as a genotype in F1, right, during monohybridization cross, and allowed what, selfing. So the all plants will become 100% tall in which generation, in F2 generation. But actual मिला था नहीं. So this thing should not be possible that both over here same kind of alleles, right? So he now did this thing, capital T small t, right? Capital T small t, with that यहाँ पे एक डोमिनेंट पेरेंट आया इन अ वे, राइट. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा लेना है, रेसेसिव. यहाँ पे कौन सा लेना है, रेसेसिव, राइट. बोथ द पेरेंट्स ओवर हियर, रिमेंबर कंडीशंस. मान लो कि आप ही मेंडल, राइट, एंड टॉल प्लांट्स देखे जा रहे, तो क्वेश्चन मार्क तो होगा ही, प्योर है या हाइब्रिड है, right, or something that new in that, ठीक है, because microscope were not that, क्या exactly transfer हुआ, he didn't know about this thing. So by performing different crosses by artificial hybridization technique, emasculation, bagging को use कर करके उन्होंने ये सारे crosses किए, and by that way he came across this thing in F1, what kind of genotype, capital T small t, right. And by that's why he told the name of this cross, that is the which one, taste cross. Which name is given, taste cross. So taste cross, remember the definition main यही है, F1 cross with what, homozygous recessive. Why not dominant? Yes, clear. So homozygous recessive parent, right. Next one, a taste cross is a fundamental genetics technique used to determine the unknown genotype of an organism that displays a dominant physical trait. Simple, to find out the unknown genotype. To find out the unknown genotype, right? The characters can expressed, but genotype, right? Genotype तो हमें जीन लेवल पे स्टडी करेंगे तो ही पता चलेगा. So remember to find out the unknown genotype. For that, which cross should we do? Taste cross. Taste cross करना है तो क्या चाहिए, F1 cross with, now F1 with homozygous recessive parent. So in that, चलिए, कैरेक्टर है सीड कलर. So in that F1 में क्या था, जीनोटाइप, F1 into homozygous recessive parent होता है टेस्ट क्रॉस, राइट. सो F1 में कौन सा जीनोटाइप था? कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल वाई शुड क्रॉस विथ गैमेट्स फॉर्म करना आ सकता है. दिया देसाई, टेल मी दिस पेरेंट फॉर्म विच गैमेट्स? कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल वाई. इसके जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे सॉल्व करें. आपको गैमेट्स फॉर्म करना आ गया, देन यू विल इजीली गेट द आंसर, राइट. सो नाउ मेक अ पुनेट स्क्वायर. याद है लास्ट में बनाया था चेकर बॉक्स. सो इन दैट one capital Y, other small y. Next, small homozygous recessive parent, small y, small y. Now next one, when these two hybridize, capital Y, small y. These two, here, so when we get that monohybrid टेस्ट क्रॉस रेशियो, राइट. जीनोटाइप्स कौन से है? कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल वाई इज टू स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल वाई, राइट. कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल वाई इज टू स्मॉल वाई स्मॉल वाई. नेक्स्ट, हाउ मेनी कैपिटल वाई स्मॉल वाई? 2 हियर. Ultimately we can say that so both form 50-50%. Clear? So always remember, can you tell me if anyone asks monohybrid cross genotypic ratio? मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस टेस्ट मैंने नहीं लगाया. मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस जीनोटाइपिक रेशियो क्या आता है? नेक्स्ट, मोनोहाइब्रिड फिनोटाइपिक रेशियो. मोनोहाइब्रिड टेस्ट क्रॉस जीनोटाइपिक रेशियो. मोनोहाइब्रिड टेस्ट क्रॉस फिनोटाइपिक रेशियो. क्लियर? पहले ये 4 क्लियर हुए. मोनोहाइब्रिड टेस्ट क्रॉस जीनोटाइप फिनोटाइप एंड monohybrid genotype phenotypic ratio. Understood this thing, right? So now you are going to solve one problem regarding this test cross. चलिए, solve this. That consider the character that is flower color. Consider the character is flower color. And find out the genotypic and phenotypic ratio for monohybrid test cross. Kavya.